Thank you for participating in the Girl Scout product program. As you move through this activity, follow the prompts to create a personalized site where friends and family can shop online to help you reach your goal. Enter your troop number and search for your name. If you go by a nickname, you may also enter that. You will want to move on to About Your Campaign, discuss your group goal, determine what your personal goal should be, and complete the questions to let people know why you're trying to earn money as a Girl Scout. Here comes the fun part. You will get to create an avatar that looks just like you. There are so many different options and accessories to choose from. Make sure you make her look as close as possible to you. After you made your avatar look just like you, then you can make your avatar sound just like you by recording a special message for your avatar to deliver to your friends and family. On this page, you will also see what your personalized patch will look like if you earn it, as well as the requirements needed to earn it. You can also upload a photo of yourself and create a unique video using the sample script below and following the important safety tips. The more you personalize your site, the better your results will be. Once you've completed the steps to create your site, you will be prompted to send emails to friends and family members. This is the most important part to promoting your campaign. You can easily use one of the providers to import your contacts or manually type them in. Once you enter all your email addresses, scroll to the bottom and click on Launch Your Campaign. Congratulations! You have officially launched your online site for product program. Be sure to share it too by text or on social media. On your dashboard, you'll be able to check your sales report, see which rewards you've earned, share your site, and so much more. Don't forget to check out your avatars room. Check out all 10 of the virtual rewards that you can earn while completing the steps throughout the program. Don't forget to check out your troop photo with the avatars of all the girls in your troop. Always remember to follow all current guidelines from Girl Scouts for online sales and marketing. Good luck and have fun!